Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today I'm going to be doing a product review on a load of gel polish by this brand. I'm not too sure how to pronounce it. I don't know if it's Cocoa or just Co or Cocoa. I'm not too sure, but it looks like a really nice affordable gel polish. I've got quite a few here to show you, and yeah, I thought we'd do some swatches and check them all out, so I hope you enjoy. So I've got quite a few products here that they have sent me for review. Look at these bottles. Such beautiful bottles. They're very nice. Like, look at the detailing on the lid. They're really beautiful, really nice. So I've got this one, which is a black, which would be interesting to see how that performs. 15ml bottles. I've obviously got a top coat and a base coat. Got to try them out. I've got a builder in a bottle. And then look at these. So I've got a bunch of pastel ones to look at. And then we've got a whole bunch of nude ones as well. I did have a little sneak peek at this one. Check this out. Look at it, it's all sparkly. I'm well excited to swatch all of these. Okay, so I'm literally going to dive straight in because we've got quite a few products to look at here. I'm going to start off by giving it a swatch its base coat. Look at that consistency. That looks really nice actually, doesn't it? I really like the square brush on it as well. But yeah, let's give this one a go. So I do apologise for sounding rather bugged up. I've got a bit of a cold at the minute, as per usual. But I really wanted to try these products out, and I thought I'd do it on camera with you guys, because they look so pretty. I'm really excited about them. I've never heard of this brand before. They approached me and asked me if I'd like to try some products, and well, yeah, always keen to try new products. That applied really nicely. Let's see how it cures. Okay, so that looks like it's cured well. It's nice and tacky, just what we want. I'm now going to go in and try out this black because I'm really excited. Wow, see that? I'm always more excited to try a black from a company, because if they could do a good black, then you like pretty much guaranteed like most of the gels will be absolutely banging. But wow, I'm really impressed by that actually. Weren't too sure what to expect there. Sorry for stuttering as well. Do you know how long it's been since I filmed a video? It's been a long time. But look at that. That's just one coat. I don't feel like I need to give that another coat, do I? That's impressive. So I've cured that for 30 seconds to see from my lamp. I'm not going to bother giving it another coat, you know? I don't feel like I need to. I'm going to give it this top coat a go. Again, it's really nice consistency, really nice brush. It says it's a normal white top coat, so we'll find out in a moment. But yeah. I'm already, 2 minutes into the video and I'm already well impressed. Look at that, look at the shine. It is completely non-white, no stickiness to it at all. Yeah, beautiful. Alright, let's get swatching this new collection. Okay, so none of these have names as such, they just have numbers. I'm going to start off with this one. It's for the new collection, this is a sparkly one. Really excited for this. Please ignore the state of my nails. I'm actually intending on doing them on a video, hopefully today. But they're looking really bad at the minute. I've not really been giving them much love. Look at that colour though. That is just beautiful. I don't think I have anything like this, I really don't. Look at that. I don't even know if the camera's doing that justice. That's well sparkly. Next up we're going to go in with this one. Doesn't have a number on it, this one, or it might be number 6, I'm not too sure. All the bottles in this collection are 7.3ml in size. It doesn't cover top coat and base coat, but their top coat and base coat is super affordable. As I said, I've never heard of this brand before, but they are on Amazon. I do actually have a discount code for 10% off if you decide to place an order through amazon.co.uk. They are also available to buy elsewhere as well, but I will link everything in the description box like I normally would do, if it's something you'd like yourselves. Look at that, one coat of that. Not bad at all. Okay, so I've cured that, but I am going to give it a second coat, because I do feel like I could do a second coat. It's just, you can see a little bit of sheerness on there. But yeah, second coat, you see straight away that second coat, it's just like, yep, full on opaque. Really nice creamy texture to them as well actually, you can see they're gliding on really smooth. Really nice. So I'm going to go with this sort of pinky sort of looking colour next. So this collection is called the Pastel Chic collection. It is currently £16.99 on Amazon UK, which I think is a reasonable price. You get 8 bottles like I said, and what would that be? It's £17. That works out at, I don't know. It's a good price though, I think, for a little collection like this. You can definitely see they are pretty damn pigmented. Really gorgeous colour. So my memory card has just errored on me. I've just lost a little bit of footage, but it's okay, I'll show you all the swatches anyway. This one is obviously white. So we all have a good habit of doing that. We're like, oh look at this, it's this colour, and it's like, yeah we know, see the colour. I'm really good at going, yeah it's a white gel polish, but I don't really see that because obviously you guys can see it, but it's quite a nice white gel polish. It's definitely not like a one coat white polish, but it's not bad at all. It's not bad, it's a really nice white, that one. It's a nice bright white. So yeah, like I said, my memory card errored on me, so the current clip I was filming has gone. But yeah, I've swatched all the colours. I'm just going to give them all a second coat now, because they definitely could do with a second coat. But like, these are beautiful. Like this one, I think it's showing up on camera. It's got a really nice pearlescent sort of shift to it. It's really pretty. This one as well. This one also has a bit of a pearlescent shift to it. Very sort of bubblegum pink. Again, really pretty. I always see this, like, it always fascinates me because I literally have hundreds of bottles of gel polish. Yeah, I'm still regularly getting new gel polish, which is nothing like anything I've got in my collection. And I love it, like, this is so unique. Bubblegum pink with that sort of pearlescent, sort of purple shift to it, I love it. And this one's like a proper beige colour, like proper beige. I think this new sort of collection is beautiful. It's got like, so it's literally got all the new tones on it. It's got sort of light nudes, deeper nudes. It's a really nice little nude collection. You wait till I show you one of the shades as a sec. It's probably going to be my new favourite nude shade because it's that beautiful. But they're all really beautiful. I really like them so far. Really nice. So here we go, this one. It kind of reminds me of like an ice sort of coffee colour. It's definitely going to be my new favourite, I think. I love it so much. It proper reminds me of an iced coffee. I think it'd be a really nice nude for my skin tone for sure. It's just, yeah, it's beautiful and it's just so creamy and pigmented. I really like it. I really like it. I just feel like, yeah, it's a good little match for me. It's like it's a nice sort of French manicure sort of nails. Okay, so there we go. Look at that. Aren't they so pretty? I really like it. I really like this pearlescent effect was, and that nude is beautiful. They applied really nicely, they're really creamy, really lovely. As I said, I would give them 2 coats if not 3 coats. They are pretty pigmented, but they definitely could do at least that second coat. I really like them though, they are absolutely beautiful. They look lovely with that glossy top coat on. But yeah, very happy with them. Let's swatch the other ones. Okay, so next we are doing the rainbow collection. It's like a pastel macaroon kind of collection. Really gorgeous looking colours. I'm just going to swatch this while I was talking to you, and I'm going to swatch the others on camera, but I won't be talking because we'll be here forever otherwise, won't we? But I really like the look of this collection. It'd be really good for spring and summer. It's like bright, but like not bright. Just, yeah, it's just like bright pastels. They're really pretty. I really like the creamy consistency of these. Again, this looks like it's going to need like a couple of coats. I reckon 2 coats would be fine. I don't really feel like you need to go with the third. Gorgeous colour there, isn't it? Really pretty. But yeah, I'll swatch the others quickly for you and I'll come back to you at the end. So there we go, that's the Rainbow Pastel Macaroon collection. How beautiful are they? It's like a perfect set of pastels. I really like this one because it's got a slight shimmer to it. really beautiful. I've got something stuck to that one. But yeah, this beautiful collection. These are £16.89, currently on offer actually. And like I said, I've got a discount code you guys could use to get 10% off. But yeah, they perform really well. Like I said, they do need 2 coats. They've all had 2 coats. Don't really feel like they necessarily need a 3rd coat. They cure really nice and lovely with top coat on them. Yeah, really happy with them. Can't fault them at all. So finally, the last product I wanted to have a look at is this builder base, builder in a bottle. Again, it's in one of these really lovely bottles. I can't get over that detailing on the lid. It's beautiful. So yeah, see a proper like sticky, stringy builder in a bottle. I'm glad I got a new one of these. I've been really needing a new one of these. Alright, so I'm just going to start off. I've just given that a thin layer. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put some glitter on it and then I'm going to encapsulate it and see how it is. Alright, don't come at me for this. I don't know what any of my stuff is at the minute, so I'm just going to throw it all over here. I'll sort out in a sec, but I'm just going to do that. Just grabbed a flaming red glitter from Smiley's Glitter Store. Just going to put that on there. As you can see, it's quite chunky. I'm going to cure that and then we're going to encapsulate it as a builder. See what it's like. Okay, so we're going to tidy it up a little bit. I'm just going to brush it just in case, but looks like it's all good. And I've still got like the rough edges and that. So let's encapsulate it and see if we can make it all smooth. I'm not the best at builder in the bottle, just to let you know. Let's try sort of just wedge it in there a little bit. Just get a bit of a layer first and sort of go over and smooth it out. I quite like builder gels like this because they're quite self-leveling really. You sort of put it the way you want it to sort of go, but like for the most part they self-level, sort of smooth out on that own. So I'm just getting a little bit of glitter on there, so I'm just going to scrape with a brush like that. That didn't really work, did it? Okay, got the glitter back on there now. Just going to grab a little bit more. Yeah, scrape on like that, and then so if you know me, then you know my way of doing things. Sometimes it's quite dysfunctional, but somehow for the most part it usually works out. I'm just going to go around the sides there, just smooth it out and then just go over again. Sort of try to even it out a little bit. And one good little trick that I know, so if you sort of hold it upside down for a few seconds, that helps self-level as well. Okay, so you can sort of see it's a little bit bulky here and there. That's just me and my application, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to cure that for a couple of minutes, then we'll file it down and yeah, see how it is. Okay, so I've just cured that for 2 minutes. I'm just going to wipe it down with some IPA just because build gel always sort of cures with a sticky layer. So just want to remove that sticky layer. It's not looking too bad, is it? It's not going to need, I might just buff it over to be honest. Don't think it actually really needs any filing. It's looking pretty good. So I'm just going to get one of my little mini buffer blocks and buffer. Okay, so I'll just give that one a little wipe. It's looking quite nice and smooth. Yeah, it seems to have cured nice. It's not sticky. Just go over some of that top coat. I love doing that with your buffer. When you've encapsulated some glitter, and then you sort of buffer off that shine, then go back in with the top coat. I find it so satisfying just watching that glitter come back to life. Look at that. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So there we go. Look at all them. Lovely, aren't they? Really, really, really nice. I'm really happy with them, honestly, really, I'm really happy with them. They're a nice, really affordable little brands. Like I said, I've never heard of them before. And yeah, I actually really like their products and would happily get some more. They've got quite a few to pick from. Like I said, I'll leave all the links in the description box for discount code, all that lot, if you want to check them out for yourselves. Thank you so much to the brand for sending these out to me. They're really beautiful, I love them. You'll definitely be seeing me using these for some awesome nail art, hopefully. Yeah, I haven't really got a bad word to say about them. They seem absolutely fine, they're cute, absolutely beautifully, gorgeous range of colours, great consistency, even the bottles and the brushes are nice. That build gel seems to have worked quite well, considering I'm not very good at build gel. And yeah, very, very, very happy. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, please remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, drop me a comment, let me know how you're doing. It's been a while since I've filmed anything. I've been super busy, I've moved since the last spoke to any of you, so my little stuff's here, there and everywhere. My whole life's a little bit dysfunctional at the minute, but I've got loads of stuff that I'm going to show you, so make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. But yeah, anyway, I hope you'll enjoy the day. I think I'm going to try and do my nails in a minute and do something pretty with some of these. But yeah, hopefully I'll see you again soon. Much love everybody, bye!